This is the CINOTON 160 watt high bay UFO light. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the manual for it. They give you a hook that screws in the back of it. There is a safety cable already attached in a bag with a carabiner on it. Standard US plug, 120 volts. Here is the light itself. Like I stated before, it's 160 watts, puts out 24,000 lumens, and the light color is 5000 Kelvin, which is daylight color. The light is IP65 waterproof. That doesn't mean that it can rain on it. It means that you can clean it without there being any problem. The entire casing of it is made of aluminum for good heat dissipation properties. Put that down. You can see the safety cable, like I said, which is already attached. There is a screw here. If that's out far enough, then the hook can screw in. Like that, and then you would tighten the screw down. I don't have a screwdriver handy, but it's good enough for our purposes right now. So with that, let me go hang this up and we'll turn it on. Now I don't